This is my first time going to Jair's crib. We about to see what's up. And I just feel so excited. Like, look at Jair just thugging out. I can't believe I'm going to your house right now, bro. Is it messy? Is it clean? Pretty sure it's a little bit of both, huh?
Yeah, most definitely.
Good little elevator, good little elevator. Woo! It smells like fucking shit already. Can I take a piss right here?
Nigga, no. They pissed on the other one, nigga.
Hey, gangski. Hey, you got a good view, gang. Yeah, gangster. Little rail skis, hammock skis. Does this hammock even work? Bro, this hammock looks so unsafe, bro.
Hey, take the camera.
Alright. What was that about?
The cat, I tried to chase her.
They be leaving the TV on?
They left it on, bro. They left it on.
Damn, W mirror.
I'm like pissing this bitch.
Hey, is your little room skis? That shit hard. You got a little bed, PC, jizz sock. That's what you jerk off with?
Yep.
How long has that shit been there? What the fuck?
8 weeks.
Bro, this fucking balcony is so fucking thin. This isn't even a balcony, bro. It's just to jump off.
My TV's broken as well. Look.
My TV's broken as well.
My power button, so I gotta.
Let me see. That's how you know.
Press it.
That's how you know you're from the hood. That's how you know. Dude, can I see how comfy your bed is?
No.
It's not that bad, bro. It's not that bad. I can sleep here. It's not bad, bro. Hey, move. You're in the shop.
Oh, sorry.
Smells like fucking piss, but yeah, it's not bad.
Piss?
Smells like piss.
I'm gonna call my mom, bro.
Call him.
Danny, stop being disrespectful, bro. Let's just leave, nigga.
I want to stay here, bro. It's comfortable.
Get the fuck out of my house, bro.
It's comfortable.
Nigga, let's go, bro. I'm not gonna have to be the man in the house and drag
Oh
you
shit.
Come on, bro. Let's just go, nigga.
Look at that, gang. Look at that. And bro, that's not even like, that's like 40% of merch. Like, the other 60%, I already shipped it out. And like, bro, I show you not, this is probably the smallest stack on my couch because everything was like, bro, everything was packed, like, to the corner and shit. Like, it was falling off the edge. It was crazy. Okay, I missed you, bro. Hey, I got something for you, bro. Hey, look, smell this bag, gang. Don't look inside. Close your eyes.
Beers?
Nigga, how do you even smell beer? This is your morning energy type shit.
Hey. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, bro. It's 9 a.m., bro. You couldn't wait.
Fuck, I should've.
You couldn't wait.
I should've.
It's 9 a.m. You couldn't wait. It's 9 a.m., bro. Chill. Fuck. Somewhere in here is Jair's board. That's definitely a hood vehicle right there, brother. I just got a haircut, bro. What do you think, skis?
You look good.
I look fresh, skis?
You look good.
I look freshies?
Yes.
Hey, good look at that, okay. Hey, right now we're on our way to go skate Southern Cleveland with the homie Snappy. And we're just gonna turn up, fuck around, see what's good. You ready? Pound it like if it's your cousin.
Put it down a
Oh
little bit,
my
put it down a
god. Oh my.
Put it down a little bit.
Oh my god. What'd you think?
It looks so nice.
Bro, I can't see fucking shit, gang. We're gonna fucking die, bro. Oh my goodness. Wish me luck, gang. You on God.
Shout out my nigga Cinco.
Snappy lives in a nice ass little crib skis. Bring that hood out. Bring it. It's right there. I dare your ass. What's up, gangy?
Dude, it's raining so hard.
Bro, you got a nice ass little crib skis.
Yeah.
What?
You
You got-
guys on tour. Dude.
Bro, yeah.
I love
hell
this
yeah.
guy.
Jair.
I didn't think you were gonna come. Here, bro. I'm here. Let's do this.
He said, I'm here, let's do this.
Let's do it.
Oh, yeah.
It's a little messy, right?
What? It smells like you.
Oh shit.
Good.
Imagine that whole
Actually, like, really cold.
that whole shit just breaks. Oh shit. Whoa.
Yeah, it's good.
Got the moves, bro.
That's good. That's all the boards you've gone through.
Yeah.
Really?
Fucking snack.
Dude, people think I break him on purpose. I'm just fat.
Yeah, I can tell.
Mom!
so hard, but we're gonna bottom.
It's fucking crazy. Fuck you! You're doing that, you have some shit on there, right?
I don't have no shit, nigga.
Nigga, check it out. Check it out.
I haven't even taken a shit. I just
Check it out. Check it out. You have fucking mierda in there, bro. I see you right there, bro. Look, I'll take a picture. Put him down. Put him down. Put him down. Let me see. Put him down.
Take a picture. Let me see it. Let me see it. Don't post that, nigga.
How are you so dumb, bro? Oh! Hold on.
Oh, I'm slipping.
I really expected Jared to eat shit. What the fuck? Hey, I'm proud of you. You didn't fall. You didn't fall. I'm proud of you. Snappy, you're crazy as fuck. You're emo. I love that shit. That shit's attractive. We're using this board? Bro, you got a freshie right here. Didn't Brian just bless you up with this? What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, Jolly. Come on, Jolly. Come on, Jolly.
It doesn't your turn.
Now you're chilling, bro. I think it's fine. You don't need this. You don't need that. You don't need that.
God, I'm gonna fucking die.
I don't recommend this. I do for Snappy though, because he's just fucked in the head. Like, subscribe, comment, leave a dick pic in my DMs.
The check's coming. Oh, you fell. Yay! Let's go!
Fucking Walmart, boy. Yeah.
You good?
I think I'm fucking hyped.
Jair's like, Jair's like, I think I filmed it. I think so.
I was peeing and I filmed my penis a little bit. I'm not gonna catch.
No.
Santa Clarita Skatepark skis?
Oh shit.
I saw the brothers hopping out here in the hood, Jolly. Oh no. It's cold?
Shit. Bro. Is it cold? Jump in, go in. Why you have your sweater on? Fucking board is done, bro.
That shit's crazy as fuck. Yeah. Well, how did you make that? How did you make? All right, drop in now. Drop in right there now.
Where?
I'll give you a hairline right now.
I slammed into the wall. Fuck.
Are you good?
What the fuck?
Are you good?
Bro, I just slammed into the fucking.
Oh my, how's your 11-inch dick? How's the 11-inch dick?
God, 11.
Was your 11?
No.
It's 12?
It's 12.
Oh, I'm so sorry about
Get
that,
it
bro.
right,
I'm so sorry, bro. Shout out to Snappy. Shout out to Snappy because bro, look, check it out. Snappy has been grinding and on his shit, and motherfucker has like more subscribers and followers than me now. Which I don't personally, I don't give a fuck, but that's just so crazy how like you're on your shit. So congrats, bro.
Yeah, bro.
You're like you're actually like really making videos like that, you know?
Yeah.
And I actually like the videos, you know? So good shit, bro.
Okay.
Love you.
Okay, yeah. Woo!
I was fucking having sex with your hand, bro. On God.
I appreciate you.
I love you, bro.
Alright, fucking fag.
I kissed you, so what? What's wrong with that?
No, don't do that. You just kissed me right here.
You have fucking paint on your nail. Bro, you have paint on your nail. Relax.
I don't care. I don't want
Nah, run it back, run it back. No, run it back.
Kicking this out? Hey, it's all right. Here, hold on to this.
What?
Hold on to this real quick.
No.
Stop, just hold on to it. What are you doing?
Crazy video.
What?
Oh, what am I
No,
in trouble?
this is
I
for
need
my
my job.
this is for my grandma. This is for my grandma. Hey, you know what? My grandma actually thinks you're pretty attractive.
No, tell her I said hello.
Oh, I'm the grandma. I'm the grandma. I think you're attractive. I ain't gonna lie to you, brother. Love you. Hey, how about going, bro? Thank you.
Yeah, hey, sorry about that, fellas. Just like I said, as long as you got all that standing water.
I thought it was because I was Mexican. I thought it was because I was Mexican. At this time. Snappy, what the fuck you got us into? This shit look crazy though, I can't lie. So the dirt bikes we posted. Pretty sick. Oh fuck! You got me into this crazy ass white people shit, bro. You're in it, Jair, you're in it. Hell nah. Right there. Full send, Jair. Yoo! Yeah, Jolly skis. Yes, sir.
Yeah, throw it. All right, catch.
2, 3.
I sound the shit out of my fucking
We
gotta go.
Go. Jump in.
Imagine!
Oh.
So right now we said fuck it. We're gonna make a little DUI for Snappy. He's gonna ollie off of that. And then this bitch right here. What do you think?
Look, I think we need more plywood. No, you don't.
Hey, let me see them glasses. Let me see your wrist with the glasses.
How you doing?
One more time.
How you doing?
Well, one more. Sorry. Hold up. Wait. Go.
How you doing? The name's Zaire.
One more. Perfect.
Hey, no, one more. Zaire, one more.
Hey, watch your girls, cause this nigga gonna raise them up.
You know it.
This lip right here, from this plywood to that plywood. It'll fuck me up.
I think you're good. Pass me a board. Pass me a board right now. What do you think, brother? Fuck. Woo! He's gonna do it, brother. He's gonna do it, brother. Right here. Yeah. You good? Next one.
My hand, not my legs.
Dude. Hey! You! Woo! Nigga, you better land that shit, bro.
It ain't much more to say, but shitty boys. Sometimes it ain't about the shine, it's the grind. Sometimes it ain't gonna be your time, wait in line. Sometimes it ain't about the shine, it's the grind. Sometimes it ain't gonna be